table. She said, Granny, you're funny.
The battery's dead on my big camera where I put it in the bag. It turned it on.
Just stand back over this little
Yeah,
bit.
over here. Because they'll come through there and they're big. So.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a big.
Oh my goodness.
I never seen them that big before.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
They're not going to do anything.
It's not going to bother behind.
Here, let me take her.
You take me too. I don't want near them. I don't like big animals.
You want to pet it?
No.
Look, she's petting it.
I never seen them. Don't
Really? I thought you wanted to ride one.
No, mule. So this is not a donkey.
That's
It's a
her dad.
mule. Now, is this the one that the Amish people use? Is this the one the Amish people use?
I thought you wanted to ride.
No, you don't want to. You've changed your mind, huh?
Okay. Okay.
I don't think she likes him.
No, I'm scared.
It's your Papa's pets. It's a nice mule.
You know what her name is?